Good medical morning. This is Watson, your host, and today we're going to discuss tonsil stones, which are calcifications of debris lodged in the tonsil crypts. As a fan of Reddit's popping forum, I noticed that these pop up on occasion. Get it? For example, here is a recent tonsil stone removal clip from the page. One of the most popular clips on Reddit's popping forum is this one from Love Frenchie's 1031. However, this one has a beat with a karma score of over 2,000. Yeah, let's watch that a few times to really appreciate the distance on that one. I think he needs a tonsil stone removal tool like this. I'll put an Amazon link to the best one in the description below. This one appears to be a bit more serious. Could it be infected? In some cases where tonsil stones are more serious, a tonsillectomy is the best option. Check with your doctor on that one. Here are a few more tonsil stones for you to chew on. Well, not literally, of course, because ugh. In the meantime, click the subscribe button, then select the notification bell for real-time updates. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, if you get tonsil stones, then you need a lighted medical pick coupled with a dental irrigator. The lighted pick can quickly, safely, and efficiently remove tonsil stones. The link below includes the best tonsil stone removal tool, an extra set of batteries, 3 heads of various sizes, a dental irrigator, a 10-pack of nitrile gloves, and a case to put it in. These are hand inspected and shipped from the USA. Don't be fooled by cheap Chinese knockoffs. So you get the irrigator, the lighted medical pick, gloves, batteries, and a case, all for under $15. And we'll put an Amazon link in the description below.